All right. Hello, hello, hello. Dr. Alan Harper here, your secure vibe coder. And we're in for another jammin' live secure vibe coding session. We've been building this app called uservibesOS.ai. The purpose of this app is to be an AI enhanced one stop shop for developers to collect vibes from users throughout the journey of their user journey lifecycle. So, whether that user is hitting your landing page, maybe a funnel, a survey that you set up for them, or a wait list or email list, or maybe they're even sending off negative vibes like they're trying to hack you. Wouldn't you like to know that as a developer? So, we want to help developers catch those alerts. And then also, the users may have some feature requests and bug reports, and those are very precious. So we want to be able to capture those in an easy manner. We want to use AI to pull that out of them and get to the underlying issues instead of just a surface level form like a lot of our competitors do. All right. So we have been working on this app now for about 60 hours and over about a 2-month period. And we go about an hour and a half a night. And I took some time off for Christmas and other stuff. And so we have developed out about 6 months worth of work, I estimate, if I were to do it myself before AI, before vibe coding. Okay. And so we have a fully functioning feedback module right now. That's our MVP. We can use AI to capture both bug reports and feature requests. Okay, so that's working. We also have the security monitoring working well. And all of this is up live right now in the cloud in a fully, scalable cloud environment. We run everything in Vercel, and it's production grade. Okay, and it's secure throughout. Okay, so we're going to do a number of things before we launch this thing, but we've got all these features already working. I want you to see like all of the stuff that we've implemented here. It's amazing. So all these features are working. And last night, what I did was I did this feature right here. So we enabled the affiliates. Actually, last 2 nights, we got the affiliate marketing working. Right. So right now, what you can do is go to uservibes.os.ai and you can sign up to be an affiliate. How cool is that? And I've set up a 30% profit share with my affiliates. It says 30%. And so you can go there, sign up for it, and you can start to promote this whenever you're ready. Okay. And soon, even as soon as this weekend, this thing is going to be ready to launch. All right. Now we've got some cleaning up to do. I saw even some other things that before I came in here this evening on the main site that we need to clean up. Okay. So one of the things we need to do is we need to clean up the dashboard. We need to remove any empty links and docs and etc. The other thing that we're going to want to do is make sure we get a good old set of security scans again. Okay. And then the other thing we want to do is make sure that we get our fave icon set up. And that's one of the things that you guys suggested like a couple of nights ago. So we're going to work on that tonight as well. It's pretty simple. All right. And that's pretty much what we have ahead of us. Oh, there's one other thing. There's a bug right now. Deals with the plan separations. And right now, I just noticed tonight that if you go up and you've signed into our production site on the free plan, it currently won't let you put any boards in. And so that's a mistake, and we're going to have Claude fix that. All right. In fact, that's probably the first thing that I'm going to have it tackle. So let's go ahead and jump in. Okay. So last night we created these blogs. I'm going to go ahead and push them up. Okay. So I got a clean slate over here. That's the way I like to work. Okay. So here we go. Recently, we implemented planned separation. We let our free users have one board and up to 5 feature requests, or 5 bug reports. And then the pro plan was unlimited. However, I noticed today that if I log in on the free plan, it's not allowing me to add any boards. It says when I click on the feature widget or the feature menu to add a board, or excuse me, the feedback menu to add a board, it's saying that I need to pay. Okay, and so that's incorrect. I need you to reevaluate that pricing plan and make sure that our free plan actually can add one board, one feedback board, and they can specifically only add 10 feature requests and 10 bug reports to that board, and then they have to upgrade. Okay. Now I said a couple things there. I said 10 and I said 5. Let me go see what the homepage says. $10. Okay. So the answer is 10. Just cleaning up this prompt a little bit. Okay. All right, so we've got this bug again that I didn't check this the other night when we set this up. I didn't go sign in as a free user. And actually what happened is up on the pro plan, first of all, on my dev site, I'm a pro user. And on the production site, I was a free user. Everybody was a free user because we just implemented the pricing the other day. So that kind of broke things. And so now we have to go back in and fix it. Okay. All right. Hey, welcome for joining me tonight. Drop me a chat and let me know that you're here. I'd appreciate it. And make sure that the chat is working. And also, you can learn more about me in the free mentoring that I give in this QR code up here, or link in the description. And inside of my free mentoring group, you'll see that there's about 7,800 people that are all working toward this topic. I have the number one secure AI channel on school, and that's where I do my mentoring. But you can learn about it in that QR code or in the link below. And then also within my school group, you'll find in the classroom, you'll find access to my Secure Vibe Coding Masterclass, where we cover all of this and much, much more. And you also get more access to me where I can come alongside you and help you build out your app. Okay. All right. So here it goes. It found the issue. It's blocking all free users. I have no idea why I was doing that. That's incorrect. Okay. Now, in order to test this, once it says it's done, we're going to sign up with a new user, and I'll use like my other Gmail account. We'll sign up for that, and then we'll sign up on the free plan, and we should be able to add one board and go ahead and put 10 feature requests in it. Okay, so all that's looking good. Just checking my convex, making sure everything, I don't have any errors or bugs. Hey, who's joined me tonight? Drop a chat in the chat. Say hello. I'd appreciate it. Will the real humans please stand up? Sometimes I think it's nothing but bots following me. Okay, here we go. It's doing some more work. It's not quite done yet. Okay, so we're vibe coding with Claude Code within Anti-Gravity. Anti-Gravity is the outer IDE that I use here, but I only use it just for looking at files and running my Git and stuff. The real work is done within the terminal here within Claude Code. Now I know I could use this button up here too and get like a half-page view, but I prefer it down here in the terminal. I prefer to keep this space up here for looking at code or files. Yawning, it's been a long day. Sleep good tonight. Okay. All right. It says it works now. It says the free plan users have access to the feedback page. They can create one board or project. Okay. All right. We shall see. Okay. Okay. And then the create project button gets disabled whenever they've already got their one board. That's good. It shows an upgrade or create more whenever at the limit. Okay, good. Added upgrade links to the pricing page. Okay, all right, well, let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll log out of here. I'm just on my local system here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is sign up. Sign up with Google. I'll use this plan. Okay, so the first thing it did was it signed me into the free plan. And even as part of the free plan, I should be able to go here. Yes, I can. Okay, free plan, 0-1 boards. Okay, that's good. I have an upgrade to pro right here. That's good. Okay. All right, let's try it. Create your first project. Okay, but I need an API key first. Okay, that's all good. Okay, create the API key. I'll go ahead and do tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, and I will call this testing 1. Okay, and here's the allowed origins. You got to have that. Local host 3002. Okay. All right, all that's correct. Oh, that's not correct. It's got a HTTPS in it. I need to edit that. Okay. All right. So all that's good. I'm still in the free account. Let me come back in here. Now I can create my first project. Okay, I'm going to have to select my key. Okay, and then I can create the project. Uh-oh, boom. Please choose a different Sluggit header. Okay, here's the error down here. Convex catches those errors in several places. So let's feed this now to Claude Code. Ah, it's a different issue. It's a slug collision. The user likely already has data in the database with that slug. That's not true. Slug check is global across all users. Okay, which is correct for URL routing. Let me improve. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to not let me take that slug. It's going to say that it has to be unique. Okay, that's cool. I'll take that. That's an improvement. That's a bug that was going to hit eventually. Okay. Okay, it says user can try to create their board again. I'm going to put the same thing in. Let's see what it does. Project created. That time it created it. Okay. All right. All right. So we have our board, and then what we can do is we can play with that board. All right. So the first thing that we can do is we can just, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put 10 feature requests in it and make sure we can already see that back here, I can't add any more. All right. So when I see it says upgrade to pro. Okay. If I click that, okay, that's not correct. All right, now if I hit the upgrade button, it tries to take me to this pricing page, which does not exist. And I don't want a pricing page. I want you to instead relaunch the clerk subscription panel within the profile. So research how to do that if you have to, but we want to make that seamless for the user. That's going to be on the billing page. Tell it to refer to the clerk LLMs.txt that we have present so it can search for all that if it needs to. Once again, if you've joined me tonight, drop a hello in the chat. Let me know you're here. Let me know that the chat is working. Okay, while it's doing that, what I'll do is launch another one here. Okay, I want you to take the logo that's on our homepage and I want you to turn that into a fave icon in all of the right sizes. No, that's not it. No, that's not the logo. The logo is on the homepage. It's also shown at the top of the sidebar menu. Okay, that was the logo. So now it's going to go ahead and create what the files that it needs to create the fave icon. Okay, it's making a script that's going to generate those fave icons because they have to be in several sizes and dimensions and so forth. Now it's going to run that script. See there, it creates 16 by 16, 32 by 32, and it creates all of those. See that? Sweet. Now it's going to make that into a fave icon. One of those. It's like such a 1980s concept. But anyway, this is going to go into the tab of our browser so that when users have multiple tabs open, they can find ours. Okay, because they just have to recognize it. Okay, so now it's going to move that into the right locations, and then we should be done. Okay. All right, looks like that's done. Now what should happen is over here, let's see if we get back to here. Whoop. Okay, there it is. See that fave icon dropped in there? So now when we have multiple tabs open, people will be able to find us, just like these other icons. That's called a fave icon, okay? Sweet. Thanks to 3Ds for that recommendation. It is now done. Now we just have to push it up to production. It's working on our local system. We vibe coded that just like that. See, this is the beauty of Claude. It'll do anything. You just need to ask it. Okay. All right, so now, okay, here what it's doing is it's asking for our Pro Plan ID. Okay, to find it, it says go into here, go to billing plans, click on your Pro Plan, then copy the plan ID. It starts with this. Okay, once you add this, upgrade to Pro buttons will open Clerk's checkout drawer directly instead of navigating to the pricing page. Okay, sweet. That's what we wanted. All right, so let's go into Clerk. I'm going to do that initially up here and just drag it in because I have a lot of stuff in Clerk. Okay. Okay, so we have this. All right. Now, where'd my chat go? Okay. All right. So under billing, subscription plans, and notice I'm currently in production, but what I need to do is switch that to development temporarily. Okay, so then what we do is we go in here. No, that's not it. Pro. There it is. Plan ID. Okay, so that goes in right here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just do this. And it already updated the example EMV, but let's go ahead and put it in a real one. This is on my dev system here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll do that. And I'm just going to show that, but then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to get this. Okay, and then I'm going to put that Pro Plan ID in there. Okay. All right, so that's done locally. I'm going to do the same thing for production because we're about to push this up to production. Okay. How do we production overview billing configure? Okay. Subscription plans pro. Okay. Bingo. We'll take that. Okay. And what we'll do then is that's missing the middle of the key, so I'm not sharing that. So now what I'm going to do is add that up to my Vercel real quick. I'm going to do that off screen. You've seen me add environmental variables before, so it's no big deal. So it looks like we had an error when we pushed those blogs up, which is frustrating. That's been happening lately a couple times. We have to figure that out and improve our skills so that doesn't happen anymore. But let me focus and get this environmental variable in here. Okay. Okay, so I got that in. All right, now I'm noticing something here that I'll drag this down on my build page for this. I've been getting build errors on the blogs lately. It's because something in this blog in this MDX is not right. See right here, error compiling the MDX. What I should do is I should just build those locally, and then I don't have to worry about it. Now, to build it locally, I always want to stop my local dev. And actually, I'm running that dev not on a standard port, so it should be, it's probably going to mess it up. Let me stop it, just out of good measure. Just out of an abundance of caution, I've been bitten by that before. Okay, so now I come in here, and I say, build the page. I am seeing build errors in prod for the blogs we pushed up. The MDX is not right. Okay, now when it finds this problem, I'm going to tell it to go fix the create blog command and put an instruction in there to prevent this, because I'm getting tired of this. Is twice now out of the 4 times we've created blogs that it goes up there and it doesn't build. So whatever the issue is here, we're about to find out. I'm going to make sure that we remediate our and upgrade our command so that doesn't happen. So what's going is it's going through a build now, just the same thing that happens up in prod, and it's finding the issue. There it is. It'll fix it. It'll make quick work of it, but it's just aggravating. Because it needs to escape these characters right here. Okay, well, that's fine. Now what we'll do is we'll make sure that makes it into I'll copy that so that when we get on the other side of this compacting, I can tell it to upgrade or to improve the command so that doesn't happen again. All right, what's new out there in the AI world? You guys run into any new tools or techniques I need to look into? Wait a second, did it just? Oh, okay. Okay, so it looks like it fixed that, but now we're not done yet. Like, we need to correct the command so that doesn't happen again. Okay. Okay, that's fine, but I need to correct the command called create dash blog to make sure that we're properly escaping all characters that could corrupt the build. Okay, this is like the third or second time that this has happened during the build, and it's frustrating. So make sure that we improve our command so that that doesn't happen again. Okay, so here's all the things that see. It's giving examples of what would be incorrect. Okay, so all right, using backticks to escape, for example. Okay, all right, good. All right, so that should help. All right, sweet. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and push this stuff up. Okay, let's see. You want to make this edit? Yes. It's validating that it doesn't find any of those. Okay, that's good. All right, sweet. Now commit all changed files. Let's see. Do I really want to do that because I have okay? This task down here is done, and this one says that it's done. So we'll go ahead and commit all changed files. Okay. Also captured that we updated the fave icons. Okay, cool. And we'll go ahead and push that to origin. And off that goes. So now we'll kick off another build. All right, now we were in the testing phase here. We've updated that stuff. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test it. What I want to do is restart my dev server. Now that we've built it, and we've got that environmental variable in here, right here, so we're good. I like to close that so I don't accidentally reveal something. Okay. Okay. So now we've got a new build going here. Okay, so that one should complete in another minute and a half or so. Until then, let's go back to here. And let's check in here. Okay. And what I'm trying to remember, oh, okay, yeah, we're trying to do that upgrade. Okay, so we've got one project, we want another one. We say, okay, upgrade to Pro. This plan is already active for the plan period month. Okay, that's not good, but I mean, this is progress. We do want to check out, but not that. Okay, so in fact, I'll screenshot the whole thing. I like that, how it popped out like that on the right-hand side. Didn't ask it to do that, but that's pretty slick if it will actually take a credit card and let us upgrade. Progress. Okay, now when I try to upgrade, I'm getting this error here that says that the plan already exists for the current month. That can't be true because I'm in the free plan now. So troubleshoot that. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of waiting with vibe coding. It's one of my frustrations with vibe coding, but it's actually where these new projects like the Ralph Wiggum loop, which I hope you look into, or the AutoClaude or AutoMaker, those tools are alleviating this wait problem, right? We can go on with our lives. Like we put a long prompt in and like let it just bang on it until it gets success and then come back. The question is, what is success and how do you prove that? How do you test that? That's going to become a challenge, but I think we can overcome it. Okay. All right. It says it fixed it. Let's go see. Okay. It used these sources. I'm glad it's doing that. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see almost. Look at this though. 4 errors. That's not good. What it needs to do is launch into here, into the billing tab. Okay. Let's see what it says here. Invalid customer page data. Okay, I'm gonna grab that. Let's see what the other ones are. They're all the same. Good. Okay, we have progress here. We are launching the profile widget, but it's not. It's on the profile page, not the billing. And then I'm getting this error. Actually, I had 6 of them identical. It said the problem is because it doesn't do it the way that, it doesn't accept the way it did it. Well, then why'd you do it that way? Hey, look, it's a miracle any of this works, right? Okay. Okay, no error, but also this isn't right. It's still not coming up to the. I want to open to the billing tab. Okay, we've got no error now. However, it still doesn't open to the billing page on the profile widget. Crawling the web looking for results on that, which is the same thing we would do as a developer. Mm. Okay, here we go. Subscription details button. All right, it found it. Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't look right. We're gonna find out here in a second. I got the feeling that it's guessing based on the web results that it was doing. But that could be the case. Let's see. Ah, look at this. Current, next payment. Okay, now this is interesting. See, here it goes again saying that I'm already a pro and that can't be so. In fact, let's go down here and look in our profile. Wait a second. I must have signed up before. I think I know what's going on. I must have signed up before as pro. Then why is it only no? Why is it saying I'm on the free plan then? If I am in fact pro. Okay, something's not right here. Okay, first things first. Let's unsubscribe. In fact, let me just go delete that user from clerk. Okay, so production development user. Yeah, there's the problem. Back in November 16th, we already signed up. So delete this user. Okay, now let's come back in. That was confusing. I'm like, what in the world? Okay, so notice how it was smart enough to boot us out. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's just confirm, what are we? Okay, we're on the free plan. Should have done that to begin with. Rookie mistake. Okay. By the way, let me hit this button now. Okay, so it says this is active. It doesn't have a way for me to upgrade. Okay, regardless. Okay, now, okay, let's go through this again real quick. Test one. Okay, go in here, create my first board. And I figured out why it was doing that first project. What it's going to do is put a 1 on the end. Watch here. See that? Or it puts a 2 now because it makes sure that it is unique. Okay, that's fine. All right. All right, now, okay, that board's created. If I wanted to create another one, I have to hit the upgrade, but that upgrade button doesn't work now. So now we're back to this. Okay, revert that. You took a step backwards. Now we're showing the panel over here, and it shows what our current subscription is, but that's not what I'm asking you to do. I want to be able to upgrade. Okay, so I think what we need to do is launch that widget that we had up before, but we just need to learn how to get that tab open to billing directly so that we can actually upgrade. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. All right. Well, it's over here still, which I'm okay with, but at least now we'll let us put in, like, we're in development mode so we can pay with the test card. And that's all I'm trying to do right now is upgrade. Okay, so look at that. Payment was successful. Okay, now I can get in here and actually put all the boards in I want. Okay, now we have another bug. All right, so now I'm upgraded, but I still see this. Okay. Okay, now I've upgraded and did a test transaction, but I'm now running as pro. But I still see this banner at the top, and it even says upgrade to pro still. So, like that banner needs to go away if I already am a pro, and the restrictions should be limited or should be lifted entirely. Okay, just want to confirm I am pro. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so that should not happen. Like, in fact, I'll just refresh for good measure. Yeah. So something is not picking up that I'm pro now and dropping that panel up there. Okay. What should happen is if they fix it, this banner should just disappear. I have to refresh to see it, but yeah, there it went. Gone. All right, so now I'm just back to a normal user, no limitations. Okay, so that should all be working now. We want to go ahead and while we're in here, we want to clean up some other things. I want to get rid of this whole document section here and all the everything down to the more button. I also want to get rid of the settings button because it's just not required right now. Let's see the get help. I want to also get rid of and the search. So all of those buttons I want to get rid of. Okay, that worked. Now let's move on to something else. On the sidebar, I want you to get rid of all of these buttons and labels that I've shown in the picture here. These all came with part of the starter kit, and the idea is you can enable them. They just give you ideas, like they're like they're starters. So, but they're dead links, right? So they were just placeholders. So what we're doing is getting rid of those. We're cleaning up this back end so we can actually get some paying users in here, and they don't go like, "What? What is this stuff?" It doesn't work. Okay, so those things should be disappearing, but of course we're getting errors because we're not done cleaning up the code yet. Okay, so all those things are gone now, nice and clean. All right. I'm gonna do something with this dog food thing too. Give me a second. Okay. All right, we have a menu item that says payment gated. Get rid of that too. Okay, we have a menu item at the bottom that says we eat our own dog food. I want to keep that. It has an icon of a dog bowl. I want to make that twice its size. And above that bowl, I want to put in red letters the word support centered on the top of that bowl above it. And that's a pretty interesting ask. Let's see what it comes up with. What I want to do is make this bowl bigger, and then I want to put the word support up here. Okay. Just to make that abundantly clear so that if they're not in on the inside joke of like we eat our own dog food, they know what it is. Okay, not bad, not bad. A little too big. Not bad, but you made it way too big, the bowl. I just wanted to go twice the size it was. Took a pretty good shot at it, wouldn't you agree? If you were a developer to go in and do that by hand, like it would take longer than this. Okay, yeah, that's good right there. Support. We eat our own dog food. Perfect. Okay, so if you click anywhere in there, then that brings up this. Okay, it's another bug. Okay, now great. When I click on that support button, it brings up a modal for me to input a feature request or bug report. That's all fine. But I want like the background to be grayed out like modals are supposed to do. Right now it's clear. See this right here? It should be gray around here, around the outside. Let's fix that. And then I think we're pretty much done for what I wanted to accomplish tonight. We got a lot done. Yeah, like that. Perfect. See how it pops off the page now? That's what it should have done. Perfect. I really like it. Okay, that's perfect. Go ahead and commit all of these changes and push to origin. Okay, and then what I want to do is check our last build on those blog articles. Yes, they completed. Okay, we are in good shape, guys. Let's go look at those, by the way. We should have a new fave icon here if I refresh. There it is. Okay, that's up on the production site. Of course, this has still got the buggy code in it, the old code. Let's go ahead and now go ahead and we're going to get rid of all these menu items here in a moment. Okay, what we would do now is I want to look at the blog. Okay, so these are new articles that came up today. They were actually created yesterday. Let's just click on one. Okay, AI powered feedback classification system. Okay, all of this looks good. Looks very good. What good routing looks like. Sweet. This is awesome blog stuff, guys. It's about a 10-minute read, and that's what we want. Okay, table of contents over here works. Jump down to a topic that we're interested in. There it is. Okay, sweet, guys. Okay, I'm digging it. This thing is about ready to start marketing to people. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut this one down right on time, right at an hour. And what I'm going to do is come back. Hey, you just subscribed. Hey, that's great. Hey, sign up for the affiliate link while you're up there too. And now when you say you just subscribed, what did you subscribe for? I'm curious. Did you subscribe up on User Vibes, or did you subscribe like on my mentoring program? Give me some info. AI Made Simple. I'm happy either way. Just want to know. I'm a little confused. Okay. So what we're going to do is come back tomorrow night, and we're going to start. Let's see, what else do we have to do on our list? Oh, you might have just subscribed on the YouTube, which I'm happy for. Thank you. Thank you for that. Subscribe could mean so many things. All right, clean up the dashboard, check. Let's check some things off here. Check. We fixed this bug. Check. Fave icons, check. Need to do some security scans. All right, so let's come back tomorrow night and do that. Okay. And then what we'll probably do, that's Saturday night. I'll probably take Sunday night off, and then we'll probably come back Monday night and we'll start marketing this thing, meaning like we'll get out on the internet and start letting people know about this thing, right? And then you guys sign up for the affiliate program up on User Vibes OS, right? uservibesOS.ai. Sign up for that affiliate program. This thing should have booted by now. And let's see. Dashboard. Nope, still got the old code on it. Let's see. Because you know why? This thing didn't push yet. Because I didn't tell it. Yes, don't ask for permission. Here, I thought it was already up there. There it went. Okay. So sign up for the affiliate program on this thing up here. on the homepage, sign up for the affiliate program. Doesn't cost anything, okay? But what I'm doing is I'm giving away 30% of the profits. So what you guys can do is sign up as affiliates. You can start pushing this in your different, areas of the internet as well, right? Anybody that signs up, you get 30% of what they sign up for life. Okay, that's a pretty good deal. Okay, all you gotta do is refer my link around. That's called affiliate marketing. It can become an income stream for you, passive income. All right, so you do a little bit of work, you promote it, place it all over Reddit, on Twitter, wherever, and if people click on it, then you get tracked, and you can go into your dashboard and see your links. You can see your clicks, you can see your leads, and your conversions. Conversions or sales are defined as like somebody came through the 7-day trial and they actually signed up and they're a paying customer, and you'll see all of that, and you get paid then after that. Okay, so there's a 30-day wait period usually for the payments, and then after 30 days, then because you got to make sure people don't cancel, and then you get paid. All right, super. Excuse me, sorry guys. All right, and that reminds me, we need to confirm that the I got the hiccups now. Okay, we will confirm. I want to put eyes on the code. Okay, confirm, or I'm going to tell AI to confirm that unsubscription, or that canceled subscriptions are registered in Dub. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Hey, thanks again for hanging out. I really appreciate it. I love each and every one of you, and I don't take for granted that you spend some time with me. And make sure that you subscribe like AI Made Simple did. And then also learn about my free mentoring in the QR code up here, or link in the description. Okay, it's free. Go in there, and there's a lot of value in there. I'm in there every day. You can reach me in there. You can DM me in there. You can also get access to my secure Vibe Coding Masterclass, which is not free. But if you sign up for that, then you can get more access to me, and I actually come alongside you and help you build your own app. Okay. Hey, guys, I will see you tomorrow night. I appreciate you.